Namaskar Mitro. In today's video, we are going to build something super exciting. A 1:10 scale RC drift car made completely using PVC pipe. I have shared all the drawings and complete parts list in the description. So if you want to build your own version at home, everything is ready for you. And if you are new here and enjoy creative engineering projects like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button because we build crazy stuff regularly on this channel. Now let's enjoy the build. Alright, the crafting work is almost complete. Now let's quickly talk about the components. These are all the electronic parts required for this project, and over here are all the hardware components. In the hardware section, I am using this pinion gear from one of my previous projects which I had ordered from Rapid Direct. A big thanks to Rapid Direct for sponsoring this video. Rapid Direct is one-stop platform for custom parts manufacturing, offering services like CNC machining, injection molding, sheet metal fabrication, and 3D printing, all in one place. These are the parts I ordered from Rapid Direct, and honestly, just look at the finish. The machine quality, detailing, and surface finish are seriously impressive, especially for custom-made components. The parts arrived well packed and everything came in perfect condition. For a first-time experience, this really exceeded my expectations. Let me quickly show you how easy it is to place an order. You simply upload your CAD file, choose the manufacturing process, and select material and quantity. You instantly get a quote with DFM feedback, and once you place the order, your parts go straight into production. If you are looking for a reliable partner for custom manufacturing and rapid prototyping, check out Rapid Direct. The link is available in the description. Before we continue, a big shout out to LTM for sponsoring today's video. LTM is known for supporting some of the world's most advanced electronics design workflows, helping engineers collaborate better, manage designs efficiently, and build with confidence. And if you are a student or just getting started, LTM has something truly valuable for you, LTM Student Lab. It gives you free access to industry level learning and a structured PCB program that takes you from basics to the real world design, including layout, manufacturing awareness, and supply chain fundamentals. You will work on practical projects, grow your portfolio, and even earn a certificate that helps you open doors for your future career. So if you are serious about the electronics, check the link in the description and join the LTM Student Lab today. Now let's get back to the build. I am genuinely very happy with how this project turned out, especially considering it's built from PVC pipe. I hope you like this build as much as I enjoyed making it. That's it for today guys, I'll see you in the next one.